Uh, this is a UI which we have created, and this page is for the registration page. So now let's get registered with some name, and let's give the email ID as Bashita123 at gmail.com, and the password, confirm password, phone number, and the courses is AC, Anyone, and web. So now let's get registered. So after getting registered, it gets navigated to the login page. So now let's go to the database and just check if the details are displaying here or not. Yeah. Now you can see the details here like Bashita Reddy Bashita123 at gmail.com. So now let's log in. So when I click login, it gets navigated to the dashboard. In the dashboard, it gets displayed like courses which she has registered, like ASC, Anyone, and Web. Now we have like component for calendar, book, and the profile for displaying the profile and the logout. So now let's go to the profile. In the profile, it displays all the details of like uh, Vashi here, like courses which she took and the profile name, username, everything. Now let's go back. And now here let's go to the calendar. So here in the calendar we can choose date like today's date, Easter, and yeah, this is the calendar. And here we have like book. Yeah, here we have linked the bookstore, UMKC bookstore, to the book page. Yeah, this is the thing. And now let's go back to the code which we have written. So first of all, let's go to the register.html page. In the register.html, we used in the basic bootstrap classes and HTML. We have created the register.html page, and we have used ng submit equals to on from submit of book dot value. And yeah, this is the registration page. Now let's go to the TS file of the registration page. We have used on from submit function. Using that, we are taking the credentials, and it gets navigated to the login page, and we are using the validators.required so that it, the, the fields must be required, and we are declaring the variables here. And now let's go to the login.html page. Here, yeah, using the some bootstrap classes, we have created the login.html page. Here we are using the two variables like my username and the my password. Now let's go to the TS file of this. If here we declare two variables, and here taking the username and password, we are validating. If it's correct, it gets navigated to the dashboard. So let's go to the HTML dashboard.html page. Here we're using the top nav function, and when you click the courses, for the courses the login page, the courses gets displayed here, and the calendar gets displayed. So for calendar, we have used the calendar component, and the MKC bookstore is linked here. So we are using two functions, profile and sign out. So let's go to the dashboard.ts. Here we have used sign out and profile. This gets sign out gets navigated to the login page directly, and profile it displays the profile here. So this is the thing. And now let's go to the calendar. HTML. Here we have used the date picker for the calendar. Yeah, and this is for the book landing HTML page. Here using the mat cards, we displayed all the three courses which she has registered, like courses, number of classes, and the credits.